Ay. Group 3. Si Aaron, si Hannah, si Leia, Mercy, Sarah, Neva, Charmaine. Okay.
Welcome to TechAssist, where we use business process automation, or BPA, and artificial intelligence, or AI, to make small businesses more efficient and keep your customers happy. And our tagline is, boost your businesses with TechAssist, where AI power is your success. We focus on professionalism and expertise to customize AI and BPA solution that fits your business perfectly.
Share stories of how other businesses are using AI and BPA effectively, and also host meetings with experts explaining how AI can benefit their businesses.
Provides compiled guidance on setting up AI systems and solving common problems. And also publish details on how AI and UPA improve small businesses. Yes, hello. Thank you for calling the customer service from FX Mom. Showing reviews from happy customers who says their businesses run better with TechAssist. Thank you for trusting TechAssist service. Have a nice day, Mom. Team up with industry leaders to show up effective TechAssist is. Write articles about the newest trends in AI and big AI for small businesses. Evaluating online information. In today's digital age, evaluating the credibility of online information is crucial for making informed business decisions. TechAssist is committed to ensuring that our clients will use high quality, reliable sources of information. Here are three criteria to consider when evaluating online information. And we have author's credentials and publication date. Relevant evidence and purpose.
Website.
Evaluation, source criteria.
Yes, that's right. By integrating this evaluation criteria into our marketing strategy, this helps businesses navigate a complex landscape of online information. Also, ensuring they base their decision on accurate and reliable data.
We make sure our information is always right, just like we make sure our solution works for you. Trust Tech Assist to make your businesses better with AI and BPA. Let's improve your business together. Again, we are Tech Assist.
Okay, good. Ang seryoso, 'di ba? Sabi sa inyo, huwag kayo masyadong walang humor. 'Di ba sabi ko lagyan ng humor, pero puwede na. Kasi naman dun sa group 7 'no, so carry na 'yan. Group 1. Grupo ni Kimberly, Charles, andito. Ella, Justin Rocha, Kimberly Valvelor, Princess May, Shilome. Okay. Songwriting skill. Bini rin. Sige. Sorry. Ano ko ngayon, group?
Either seryoso.
Oh,
Looking for information, you should know yung motibo. Dami pinapakita, plus yung other hindi makita. Is this something that I need to be evaluated? Evaluating is very important. It can be information on social media. Don't be fooled by everything as fake as it is so overflowing. Baby, oh my god, rosy filters, algorithms got control. Information alone, collect studies is leaving satisfied. Evaluate information from internet is essential for ensuring accuracy and reliability of the content we consume. Not all sources are trustworthy. Currency is the information of today. Accurate, can you please confirm the information? Relevant should be connected from the topic. Authorize, make sure the other expert can feel. Every post social media. Di ako maniwala eh. Ako yung mabalay wala.
oh yung bata.
But in the way you post information yung usap, di ko kaya magpanggap.
Ano ba inalita na?
Totoo ba peke ba? Evaluation list dapat laging tandaan. Maybe it's just a boss, don't believe it right away. Shopping is image that I don't wanna lose my way in there.
Alam mo na magawa sa Charlie. Parang ayos.
Oh my god, music filters, algorithms got control. Information alert, collect studies is leaving satisfied.
Nahiwaga sa lamig at sa take it early, sir.
Sorry, that's all. Laban.
Nahiwaga sa lamig at sa change of listen. The truth will find it will be revealed. Consequences are all the information.
Wala nang energy.
Please confirm reliability. All should be covered and copy. Authorize, make sure the other expert can fit.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, internet animation companies solving problems that right this, but we always try to feature human AI, a treasure to be adored. Gusto ko lang naman malaman, ano ba ang katotohanan? Better say now, it's not too late. I'm ready to be called, this is AI. Hey.
Good. Okay. Awesomeness. Medyo naghanap lang ako ng konting example pero pwede na. Di ba? Ganda. Nadala na ako. Okay. Dinadaan niyo ako sa music video ha. So, sige. Pwede naman. Pero maganda no. Di ba? At least, kung gusto niyo ng fun, gawa kayo ng music video. Ganun lang. Grabe. Beanie. Pero magaling sila sa personal as in. Ang galing nila. Kaya, nung napanood ko yung SB19, parang napawaw na ako. Pero ito rin magaling. At yung BGY, in fairness, galing. So, yun lang. Okay, group 5. O, sige. Maayos din naman to dati. Medyo hindi lang minsan, Group Alexander, si Arabella, si John, nandito ba? Joe Menil, Maria Hazel, Princess Rejuso. Ulitin natin. Sambasa naman si Alexander. Hmm. Nako, nakita ko na to.
Information online. Currency, you need to check if the information is up to
Sakit.
date.
Sakit na. Nagawa na yan.
Authority, you need to know who is the author of the webpage and if they what are their credentials and if they are expert in that field.
Ensure relevancy, ensure all information related.
Pwede. Nasaan na yung example na hindi ko nakita?
Current information is generally more accurate, but it's crucial to verify it with others.
Feeling ko rin, may pasapasa na yan, yeah.
For objective, check if the information reflects an author bias and the author has a reflection.
Coverage. You need to know if the website covers the topic well and it's comprehensive.
The website is navigate and useful. It was not difficult to find an information. The author is not always the host of the website. You should have the sponsors in order to agree to publish the site.
If the website has a lot of ads, you may not want to use it as a source. The information may be accurate and authoritative, but the appearance may undermine its credibility.
Ay,
I'm so sorry.
nakikita mo talaga sana wala ka dito, Hindi ko maten, Ano to? Tignan mo dinadance na yaw. Ano to? Wala lang. Okay, sige. Ganda, 'di ba? Konting ano lang. Kung sino man nagpauso nun, nakukuha niyo ako. Sige. Last group. Group 2. John Harley, Maria Christine,